Let's have a look at how we actually publish an action from the web. So let's jump into the code behind this demo application here. So it's a standard HTML page, and we're going to do all of the publishing here from the client side. So the very first thing we do is embed the Facebook JavaScript SDK. And we initialize it with our app ID and a bunch of other parameters, which are kind of boilerplate. That you can copy and paste these from the developer website. And then there's a bunch of other code here which I'll come back to a little bit later, but this is the stuff that really matters. So you'll see on this demo, I've got a button, cook. So the code here is going to listen to see when that is clicked, but this is the stuff here. FB API is the method we call, and you'll notice that the URL we post to is /me/simonsfoodapp:cook. We'll make sure it's a post, and then we're going to say it's a recipe. And now one tip that I actually use is rather than trying to get the URL from window.location, what I actually do is when I add my Open Graph markup to my pages, I add an ID to the OG URL tag, which means that we can just get the contents of the OG URL tag in code like this. And so once the action is published, we'll get a callback, and we can check that we got an ID, and if we have, then action published with ID, whatever. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just click cook here. There we go, action published with ID, whatever. So let's quickly go back to my activity log. And hopefully we'll see now Simon cooked Thai green curry on Simon's Food app again. So let's go back and publish an action against pizza this time. Here we are, Simon's Food app, and there's another cook button. Just going to click cook. It's going to publish an action against cook. So from the mobile web, it works absolutely the same way. So here we are, Simon's Food app again. This time I'm going to go to pizza, and I'm going to hit cook. And again, we're going to get an alert box that says action published with ID and the new action ID. So let's go back and see how those appear in activity log. They appear exactly the same as if I posted them from the web or the Graph Explorer. You can post actions from every single platform in exactly the same way.